All right, let's talk about this product again this morning. It may look as it's basics, but trust me, the inside is packed, and it is just about everything a complete beginner needs, or even those who are already into digital marketing businesses with PLR products and master resale rights. This is just gonna be so good for you. I have trained people in the past, recently and in the past, to really use Canva, and some have gone into creating their own businesses. Some are using what I have helped them to create their offline businesses and really make income out of, like doing business profiles, CV writing, like the entire thing is in here, and more template products that you can use, create ebooks, create flyers, create calendars, create children's coloring books, just about everything. And we take you from step by step with the video tutorials and the guidelines. There is really nothing to wonder about and navigate through the whole process, but it takes you to start in one part to the next, from creating to launching, to saving, to sharing, and to like the entire thing. And we even have the mobile version part as well. But the biggest part is when you know all of these things, you get to understand and do as many as you can, and just charge at whatever price you can, and really seeing the demand where you can fit in and pitch in your work that will suit a target audience, and then you get to make money out of over and over again. Like this in itself gives you a head start into the complete digital marketing world with digital products, to creating courses, to creating presentations, to creating everything, like the entire process. Like you can get it out of this simple basic outlining of the use of this powerful tool that is used from across the world with content creators. And like it is an unrestricted PLR, so like you can get it and you can do anything you can with it as well. You can even edit this and sell it as your own. So that's the beautiful part of this product. Anyway, it's only 27 kina. You might want to invest into this. It's a no-brainer, and create 2 digital products that you can sell and get up to 3 to 5K a month. 27 kina is really nothing. Love you guys.